What's going on, YouTubers? I'm Mr. Grit, and today we're making hot roasted green New Mexico green chilies. I'm telling you, that's going to be good. Today we're cooking it on the Weber. I want to show you guys what we ended up doing. So appreciate you guys turning in. We fired up our Weber. We took our fire roasted peppers and we stuck them on a broiler pan and we stuck an onion on it. Offsetted it with the charcoals on one side and put some pecan wood on it. A little history of these peppers. I got these peppers from my neighbor who came back from New Mexico. His sister lives down there, so they already been pre-fire roasted, as you may say, but we put them on the smoker or the Weber to actually give them a little bit of extra smoke, and hopefully it'll come out really good. And this is what we ended up doing. We took one onion, two cups of green chilies. They were already fire roasted, so we didn't have to do that, so that made it simple. We're going to put a little bit of vinegar, some salt is optional, and some garlic powder. Blend it until the consistency we like, and I'll show you how it's all done once it's all done. So we left it on the smoker for about 45 minutes. You can do it to an hour based on what you want, but I wanted the onion to get a little bit of smoky flavor. So now we're going to put this in that. I'll tell you what I did. I put 1 tablespoon vinegar. I did a pinch of salt, and I put garlic powder in it just to taste, and then I put 2 of these of lime juice in there. That's the way I like it. So let's put all this into that and blend it. And we're going to blend this to the consistency that we really like. If you have it chunky, you can have it smooth, but I'm going to put it in a pourable bottle. So let's go from there. So we blended it into a paste. And so I added more water and vinegar and a little bit of chili powder to the consistency that I like. And that's perfect. We're going to put that in a jar or even a pour bottle and show you how it's all done and how it's tastes in the end. All right, hold on. There you have it, folks. What I ended up doing is adding vinegar and water. I put a little bit of chili powder in there to actually give the consistency that I want, but it's good. Came out like a pulp, and then I just added it a little bit more. So hope you enjoyed this little thing going on. So what can I say? It comes out pretty good. Good heat, good everything. So yeah. So until next time, folks, I'm Mr. Grit. You keep cooking and you keep trying things out. Let me know what you want to see. Hit down below on subscriptions if you want to see what you want to get done next, and we'll figure it out. So until next time, I'm Mr. Grit.